00 House, this project was born from the desire to be invisible. The house is realized in a simple form, a cube, like a closed box, placed on the land, but still allowing its inhabitants to observe the surrounding environment. The idea was to create a sense of closure, almost airtight, that would surprise one as soon as one entered it. The bedrooms are located on the first floor, surrounding a high terrace and open space surrounded by high walls to ensure privacy from the surrounding houses. With this approach, a private terrace space was created whose walls were strategically perforated to eliminate disturbing elements from the landscape. In this way, the house not only protects the privacy of its inhabitants but also opens windows to the calming mountain views, creating a deeper connection between architecture and nature. Inside, the opposite experience emerges: ample space, abundant light, and a close connection with the outside world. The placement of the windows was carefully designed and continuously adjusted during the construction process to control the views from inside the house. Vegetation is used as an additional architectural element, serving to filter unwanted environmental elements from the interior view, while adding coolness and tranquility. The materials used in this project were chosen to create a natural and authentic aesthetic that can age well without requiring excessive maintenance. The facade is coated with natural lime mortar, while earth-colored ceramic elements and cement floors complete the warm and down-to-earth feel. This choice of materials not only reflects an appreciation for the beauty of natural imperfections and irregularities but also reinforces the identity of the house as a space that is in harmony with its environment. So, what do you think about this home design? Share your thoughts in the comments column. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss other unique and innovative home design inspirations. See you in the next video.